Hey everyone, it's Pam, and I'm going to show you a couple things today. But the main part of this is a new for me. I don't know how long it's been here, but it's kind of cool. But it's a Canva app called I already forgot it, MotionText. Let me pull it up so you can see what I'm talking about. See how these really cool things are, right? Like, I love this. This would be really good for Facebook group, just like a daily inspiration. This would be really good on Instagram stories, all that. All I did was I just picked the Facebook size right there, but you can resize these to fit Instagram stories, all that. But we'll do that. So, what is needing to happen now is we need to get some. I mean, I could use these, but so is everyone else. Let me go ahead and I'm just going to go over here. I just added a new box, that's all. And I'm going to use Magic Write, or you can use ChatGPT, but since I'm in Canva, I'm just going to use the Magic Write just to give me a couple sayings. So I am going to go to my text. Okay. Just want to show you guys, so that's why I'm doing this. Okay, so I'm just going to add a text box here. And see this where this pencil, this right here, you're going to go like that. You're going to go transform text, and we are going to say 5 simple sayings, simple and short sayings for digital content creators, or whatever you want. So then we're going to hit that. This is very, simple things like this. I use the Canva AI just because I'm in here. All right, so we are going to replace that. Just make it bigger so I can see it. All right, and then we're going to go back over here. We are going to go to apps, and if just type in MotionText, I'm going to grab that right there, and let's go ahead and do a couple. So here we can put in our text. So I'm just going to go over here. Actually, I kind of want them not to be. Okay. I was going to say, I don't want them to be all caps, but I am not going to worry about that. So let's go ahead and do this. Create with passion, share with purpose. So we can oh, I like that. We can separate that. That's beautiful. Love it. Dark background. Let's see what it's light background. We can do dark for now. Of course, I am going to do other colors, the outline width. All right. There's animation. You can bounce, pulse, wave. Ooh, that's kind of. Let's see. All right. You can slow down the speed. Oh, slow it down a bit. Scale factor, no clue on what. So I'm just going to, and then we'll go right here, add to design. Oh, I messed. Okay, here I was like, man, what happened? I think it's still loading because it doesn't look like that. And it has this little thing right here. We'll just wait patiently. So it has said, oh, here we go. So, so we can put whatever color we want in the background. Let's check this out. This is awesome. So it was going to look like that. All right. Oh, I like that. Okay, so then I can create. Sorry. So I can create each one, each one of these like that. Okay. I might try different ones. Let's go ahead and try another one. Okay, let's try this. Oh, let's do the wave. Okay. Um, all right. And I want to go teal, outline. I don't want brown. Okay. All right. And then add the design. This is kind of fun. This would be really cool to make. Well, I'm only gonna make two, and then I'm gonna show you how you can resize. Okay, this is cute. It's still working, as you can see. I think my dog had a sneeze too. Okay, it said it was successfully loaded, and it puts it in the library so that you can use it anytime you want. I love that. I'm going to show you a little bit something that might help you in the long run with that too. Okay, so let's grab a color. All right, and if I wanted to separate these, I bet you I could go like this. Oh, yeah, I like that better. Update design. That way it can be a little bigger, but I don't mind this either. Now, these are also things that I'm going to assume we can put on websites too if it is just like a video. Okay, look at that. Okay. I love that. Now, if I added, I can see like adding something else and stuff. That would be really cool. But let's go ahead and I will show you how we can resize. You go up to social and you go up to, let's see here, a reel, copy and resize. Open the mobile video one. So you can make a whole bunch of them. And then, so this, let's see here. All right. And then maybe, I'm just playing around. Oh, that is. Of course I pick one then. Let's go ahead and pick background remover. Okay. And then if you want to animate this, you can animate this. Ooh, ooh, they have some new ones here, I see. Uh, always like that one. How about sketch? All right, so then you have that. And all right, I'm going to do brand. Change my brand over here so I can add my logo. Look at that. Now I'm ready to uh, download that to put them on my story and stuff. That was real simple. Now I want to show you something that I don't know if everybody knows or has seen. But see these, there's images, videos, and audio. Have you seen the folders? So sometimes I put things in here. Okay, so create a folder. I'm going to go bots, go to image, and I can move to my bots. It went away. Did you see that? So I can click on all these. These are ones that I will probably reuse over and over and over again. So that's what these folders would be more for. If you are going to use, images that you upload many times, let's go move to bots. Oh my God, I love this. I love this. It's like moving to folders, but now, because sometimes, I have a lot of bots and they're way down there. So I have it in a folder. I can just bring it up and there we go. I can put another one here, remove the background. He needs to focus a little bit. There we go. Easy peasy. This is fun. I like the motion text. So that was a cool app to show. All right, guys, I would love to see some of your creations with this text and also let me know if you use folders.